Hey guys, this is Mike with White Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install mods for the game Blade and Sorcery. So the mod I have chosen today is Modern Knives, and the link will be in the description, but this tutorial should apply to almost every mod on the site Nexus Mods, so follow along. First thing you're going to want to do is to download the mod you have chosen. You have to be logged into the site, but after you're logged in, just go ahead and click Manual. And then go slow download, wait 5 seconds, and then save it wherever. So I'm going to save it into my downloads folder. So next we're going to go in Steam, and you're going to want to right click on Blade and Sorcery and click Properties, Local Files, and you're going to want to click Browse Local Files. So next you're going to want to go into Blade and Sorcery Data and Streaming Assets. So any mods you download, you're going to want to put into this folder. Mod should be ready, so just open it up, and you're just going to want to copy everything that's in this zip file or RAR file into the folder, like so. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to go jump in my headset and show you that the mod does work. Alright, so in Blade and Sorcery, if you go into daggers, all the modern knives should be in here. So this tutorial applies to all of the mods that I have encountered in Blade and Sorcery. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with a lot more. See ya guys.